Prepare to be awed by the captivating world beneath the waves. Unveil the extraordinary tales of bioluminescent creatures that light up the darkest depths, stealthy predators that mimic their surroundings seamlessly, and symbiotic partnerships that redefine collaboration in the ocean. Brace yourself for more astonishing marine revelations. Welcome to the channel, subscribe and let's dive in. 1. Many bony fish have more than just one set of nostrils. Fish are full of surprises, and here's a fun fact that'll make you see them in a new light. Many bony fish flaunt not just one, but multiple sets of nostrils. But hold on, these nostrils aren't like ours that help us breathe. Fish have their own underwater scent game going on. Their nostrils aren't connected to their mouths like ours, instead, they lead to super-sensitive smell detectors. Imagine having a nose that can pick up the aroma of a tasty treat from far away in the water. Yep, that's what these extra nostrils do for fish. They're like scent superchargers, helping them catch a whiff of food even at a distance. So, next time you spot a fish, remember, more nostrils mean more smelling power. 2. Not all hermit crabs use discarded seashells as their portable shelters. Hermit crabs might be known for their shell-swapping ways, but did you know some of them have a unique taste in real estate? In the mesmerizing Sea of Cortez, you'll find hermit crabs opting for fashionable living, setting up shop in growing hydrocoral homes. It's like having a trendy coral condo. But that's not all. Journey to the Indo-Pacific region, and you'll discover a hermit crab community that's all about wormhole chic. Yep, they call the fixed wormholes left by marine worms their cozy abodes. These crabs sure know how to think outside the shell, proving that in the world of hermit crabs, one crab's trash is another crab's luxury penthouse. 3. Sharks are covered with tiny little teeth called dermal denticles. Diving into the mysteries of the ocean, you'll discover that sharks are no ordinary swimmers. Their bodies are clad in a unique armor of tiny teeth known as dermal denticles. These minuscule structures are the reason why running your hand over a shark's skin feels like touching sandpaper. But don't mistake it for roughness, it's a masterpiece of nature's engineering. These denticles reduce drag, helping sharks glide effortlessly through the water. So, next time you feel that distinct texture, remember, it's the secret behind a shark's incredible aquatic finesse, making them the ultimate predators of the deep. 4. Damselfish are farmers growing little algae gardens. Delving into the underwater world, you'll encounter damselfish with a surprising green thumb, or should we say, fin. These pint-sized aquatic farmers cultivate their own miniature algae gardens. These gardens not only provide them with food but also a sheltered home. When you see damselfish making their moves, it's like they're guarding their precious plots with an underwater stay-off-my-land yacht here. Don't be fooled by their small size, these fish are ecosystem architects, showcasing nature's intricate connections. So, next time you catch sight of these territorial titans, appreciate their gardening skills and the unique ways life thrives beneath the waves. 5. Moray eels open and close their mouths, not as an aggressive behavior but as part of their respiration process. Meet the intriguing moray eels, masters of underwater yoga. Their signature move? Opening and closing their mouths, which might seem like a dramatic display, but it's all about efficient respiration. These eels aren't showing off their pearly whites in an aggressive stance, they're simply catching their breath. It turns out that their unique respiratory system relies on this rhythmic action to pump water over their gills, extracting life-sustaining oxygen. So, the next time you witness these aquatic contortionists in action, remember, it's not a menacing maneuver, it's just their way of staying oxygenated and thriving in the mesmerizing depths of the ocean. 6. At night parrotfish enclose themselves in a bubble of their own mucus to avoid being smelled by predators. Picture this, the savvy parrotfish has a trick up its fin to outsmart nighttime predators. As the sun dips below the horizon, these colorful swimmers take self-defense to a whole new level. They secrete a protective bubble of their own mucus, creating an invisible shield against the keen noses of predators lurking in the dark. This ingenious strategy cloaks their scent, allowing them to rest easy without triggering any alarms in the predator community. So, when you see parrotfish enveloped in their unique nighttime bubbles, it's not just a gooey spectacle, it's a brilliant survival tactic that showcases Mother Nature's creativity at its finest. 7. Nudibranch can absorb nematocysts, stinging cells. In the realm of underwater marvels, nudibranch take the spotlight with their fascinating defense strategy. These sea slugs have a unique trick up their slimy sleeves. They're skilled thieves of stinging cells, known as nematocysts. When they devour their prey, they don't just stop at a meal, they absorb these potent stinging cells. But here's where it gets really intriguing. Nudibranch recycle these nematocysts and repurpose them as their very own defensive ammunition. So, if you thought these vibrant sea creatures were just a pretty sight, think again. They're not only adorned with mesmerizing colors, but also equipped with a formidable arsenal, showcasing how adaptation and resourcefulness flourish beneath the waves. 8. Boxfish do not have a conventional bony skeleton like most vertebrate. Meet the boxfish, a true underwater oddity that defies the norm. Unlike most vertebrates sporting a run-of-the-mill skeleton, boxfish boast a peculiar boned box design. Picture this: their unique bone structure envelopes them, leaving only their eyes, mouth, and fins protruding from this protective fortress. It's as if they've donned a snug exoskeleton suit that sets them apart in the ocean's fashion parade. Beyond their striking appearance, this skeletal adaptation offers unparalleled defense against potential threats, making them true living treasures of the deep. So next time you catch a glimpse of a boxfish gliding through the blue expanse, remember, there's more to this quirky creature than meets the eye, or rather, what's left peeking out of their bone box. 9. Barnacles are actually crustaceans related to crabs and lobsters. Dive into the curious world of barnacles, not your average sea creature. These crustaceans, distant kin to crabs and lobsters, have a unique twist to their story. Imagine them as the stationary cousins of their mobile relatives, firmly attached to their chosen substrate. But when it comes to romance, male barnacles face a challenge: how to connect with their mates while rooted in place. Here's where it gets interesting. The male barnacle boasts an impressively lengthy reproductive organ, a kind of love line, allowing him to bridge the gap to his distant mate. This extraordinary adaptation showcases nature's inventive ways of overcoming obstacles. So, the next time you come across barnacles decorating the shoreline, take a moment to appreciate their unconventional approach to intimacy. These seemingly unassuming creatures remind us that love, even in the ocean depths, finds a way to flourish against all odds. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.